Hello everyone. Welcome to a new playlist on creating customized exams. So it's been a while since I made videos, but then this is now really the need of the hour. I am having one course where I'm teaching basic electrical engineering, and at this stage I'm in the process of preparing question paper. Now, since this course is given in online mode, and students are studying from home. So, giving a common question paper to each student is not a good option because that creates a option of copying. Okay, so I'm just explaining the motivation. So, no common question paper to each student, to all students. So, therefore, we need to have a customized question paper for each student. So what do we mean by customized question paper? It means each student gets different questions. So how do we generate different questions? So one way is by changing numericals in the questions, or by changing question itself of similar difficulty. So the idea is we have this exam. So in my case, let me say the course is basic electrical engineering, and I have about 150 plus students. So obviously now, if I conduct customized exams, so I will need to create 150 plus, whatever number of students, question different papers, and therefore correction also has to be automated. So why we are doing all these things? Again, the motivation for creating customized exams is to provide this particular course in online format, where where the recorded video lectures are available, and students can learn from their home and attempt this exam. So, in my objective creating this playlist is to make a series of lecture videos in which I build step by step how to create such customized exams, how to generate the questions, how to modify the numericals, and how to modify the question itself. So, in other words, let's say there is a question about testing network theorems. So, for example, superposition theorem. So, on model of superposition theorem, we create five questions, and randomly we can choose one question or the third question or a fifth question, like that. So, therefore, I can generate random questions choosing from that model. And again, within the model, let's say I selected a first model out of five. In that first model, now there will be some circuit diagram and some resistance values. So those randomly change. Therefore, each student gets a unique, different question, and therefore the correction also has to be automated. So how to do all these things? So I am making this list of videos in which I will explain step by step how to do that. So this is the first video in the playlist. Hopefully, I'll be making more videos, and it will be building step by step. So this is especially important for teachers to learn how to do this, so that they can provide this to their students. With this brief introduction, my name is Dr. Pradeep Yamla, and this is my playlist on creating customized exams. Over to the next video. Thank you.